back, and here's another one of the puppies. I mean, not a puppy, a dog.
He's an old
He's an old
man.
one. He's gonna
He's
die
got
pretty
1
soon.
year.
He has 1 year left.
Now look at
So we
those
might-
Look at these gray hairs on his snout. He's pretty old, guy.
Yeah, he is pretty old.
I had to cover my face in that.
So we might as well just play with him more than other dogs. We're back at the dog show. Roll over, dog.
Good boy.
Good boy, Morton. This is Morton. If you didn't know, I don't know if we showed her your name.
Morton.
Morton. No, don't go under the table.
Morton.
Well, this is going to be our third video here. Third or second. Well, if it matters which I post first, because I already have another video I'm posting about other 2 huskies, Alaskan dogs, snow dogs,
We've got 2 sled dogs at home.
sled dogs.
And
one's a puppy and one's that.
Going on an adventure to the park.
We are? Oh yeah, we are. Oh, he's peeing! Oh my God, this one dog peed on my shoe. It was all on my legs. I was at my friend's house, so I couldn't change clothes either.
Why didn't you get clothes from Mom's house?
Because I was already at her house.
Why didn't you pack clothes?
It was actually kind of funny. Morgan, come here. Hey, what are you doing? Look, look, look. Come here. And not again. He's peeing again. He peed again.
He has a bad bladder.
Ew. Sorry about what she just said, YouTube. Come here, dog. It doesn't listen to me. Come here, Morton.
Morton!
Morton, come here.